Hi guys, we have some more beginning sounds. Today we have the letter N, lowercase, uppercase, N. And we have the P, lowercase and uppercase. They look a lot alike. Uppercase, lowercase. And of course we have our pictures. So I'm going to start with the picture of a nail. Nail. Nail starts with an N. Nail. I'm going to put it with the N. I have a picture of a nose. Can you guess which one it goes to? Is it the L, Lowe's, or nose? Yep, it's nose, N. Here I have a picture of a pen. Pen starts with a P, pen. So I'm going to put it with the P. Here's a picture of a pencil. Pencil. It starts with a pencil, P. It starts with a P, pencil. Put it with our P. Here's a good one. It's pizza. Pizza starts with a P, pizza. And we have a needle. Needle starts with an N, needle. Put it with the N's. Here we have a picture of a net. Net. Oh, I bet you can sound this one out. Net. 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 It's a net. Starts with N. And the last one we have is a picture of a pig. Pig, and you can sound this one out too, I bet. Pig. Pig. It starts with a P and ends with ig. Pig. Pig. Okay, let's see if I'm right. All the N pictures. I have a net, a needle, a nose, and a nail. See if the P's are right. We have a pig and a pizza, pencil, and pen. That's today's beginning sounds, a P and an N. Have a great day.